friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, and thank you very much for your support and taking the time to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my video. Welcome new subscribers. And this video is going to be about kind of a unique product that I had used last month, and with so much incredible results. It is actually a combination of different antioxidants and an oil, and I'm going to show you the product. This is by Rata and Company, Rata and Co. And the lettering, the package is very pastel color, so you won't be able to see you know, in an accurate way, but I will put everything in the description box, the information. So this oil comes from New Zealand, this product right here, and I like the packaging, very nice, even though the packaging doesn't improve the skin, right? I am not into packaging, but what is inside the product. So it comes in a dropper like that. This contains powerful superfood, which is the Acai concentrate oil, and it is designed to protect the skin from the outside elements, and to protect the skin cells that ages so fast due to lifestyle, diet, due to lack of sleep, dehydration, the list goes on. So this oil will protect from the environment, and I am a big in using antioxidant formulas on my skin and taking antioxidant products internally. So this product right here has like I said, the superfood Acai oil. It has the Granberry seed oil extract, and it has the Rosehip seed oil, and it has vitamin C and vitamin E. Now the Rosehip seed oil, as you know, has concentrations of natural retinol, and it helps with the scars, it helps to firm the skin, it helps to exfoliate the skin in a gentle way. Therefore, you know, collagen stimulation will take place. And so this formula is really pure, 100% pure, no parabens, no chemicals, no coloring, no synthetic oils. It's from New Zealand, and the company again is Rata and Co. And I love products from New Zealand, and especially when they're formulated so pure. And so like I explained, the Rosehip seed oil is a super antioxidant, and this product is designed to protect your skin from the outside elements, from the environment, because once the skin cells gets damaged, especially on the face and your neck area, that's when wrinkling and pigmentation, sagging is going to take place. Like I said, I am big in antioxidants to maintain my youthful looks. And so also have the superfood Acai, which is a potent antioxidant, and the same thing, it will protect the skin from the environment, and it helps with the cell regeneration. And taking Acai internally, awesome, a perfect antioxidant for your body. Going back to the Rosehip seed oil, I forgot to mention it has the omega-6 and the omega-3, the lipids. So when oil has good lipids, it maintains your skin plump. And the Granberry seed oil extract that this formula contains, it helps to soften the skin, it helps to change the texture of the skin, and it's a natural moisturizer without feeling greasy. And the vitamin C, as you know, helps with the stimulation of collagen. It helps to protect your skin due to the antioxidant effect. And vitamin E, it's a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E taken internally and I use it externally as a potent antioxidant. I take vitamin E internally and externally. Sometimes I mix my vitamin E with my skincare. I have a dropper. It's a liquid designed for the skin of vitamin E oil. And so vitamin E taking internally will help with the cardiovascular system. It will help to maintain those blood platelets strong and healthy. So it will help to prevent the body from being sluggish. At my age, I take 900 units of vitamin E together with selenium, the mineral selenium, because the selenium will help to absorb the vitamin E. So I am very impressed with this formula. And did I mention to you guys that I tested it last month because I had made an order of products, and the shipment, a sample of this oil came, and as soon as I tested it, I liked it so much that I ordered it. So this arrived last week. I haven't opened yet, but a very, very good product. So I thought I should make a video about this product because it's very important to protect ourselves from so much damage that you find outside, the radiation, the lights, the environment, the pollution. And people sometimes don't take it to heart, but those elements are really aging for your body. And so I want to share this product right here, which is a foundation. I use it today to make this video, and it's by Stila, and this is the Stay All Day foundation. And I thought it was gonna be like thick foundation, but it's really thin. It's almost like your second skin, and it has good coverage, and it lasts all day, 12 hours. It says in a package. It comes in this package right here. I got it when I was in Nordstrom, and also Macy's sells it. I'm sure Sephora and Ulta will sell it too. It comes in this type of container that you push it, and I like it because it prevents accumulation of bacteria. And so happy with these. I am addicted to foundations. I think I had mentioned that in other video. I like to find the perfect foundation so my face doesn't look cakey. But like I said, this is like a second skin. It's really thin, but it still has coverage, and it lasts all day. So I am wearing these today, and I am very pleased with the results. So I wanted to share with you, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this video, my girls. Okay, you be blessed and stay gorgeous. Bye-bye.